What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to replace the tempered glass with a tempered glass that is in my son's iPad. You can see it's a little cracked, all that good stuff. So protected the skin somehow, some way. Let's see if it went through, because my son and my daughter used to drop this like it was crazy. So we're going to replace the old tempered glass with a brand new tempered glass. Stay tuned. Alright, so I just got this tempered glass from Premier Template. I forgot how much I paid for it, but I needed to replace it because this old tempered glass is too cracked, and I'm scared that my son or my daughter, when they're using it, they be able to cut themselves. I haven't got to that point, but I want to just be safe than sorry. So let's replace this tempered glass. So we're going to try to remove it. I don't know how good it's going to come out, but oh, not that bad. So I'm gonna go nice and easy. Picked up this corner real quick. You can see it. It keeps slipping away. There you go. So I'm gonna try to remove it nice and smooth. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see all the cracking? And look at the bottom right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. It's all cracked. Now, look at the screen. Look. This is why you need a tempered glass. Like, this is crazy. How good this tempered glass protected this screen from a kid. Well, kids. Wow, this is crazy. So let me open up the other one, and we're gonna clean it up and do all the good stuff to put the new one. But this surprised me. This really surprised me. This is why you should have a tempered glass. Oh my God, I'm in shock, to be honest with you. I thought that at least this part was gonna be somewhere in here. Like, you could see like the case is a little cracked, like a little scratch right here, but the glass is in prestige condition. I would say a little dirty, but we could clean that off. This is crazy. So let me open it up and let's just get to it. So now we're gonna open up this tempered glass. Let's see what it comes. This is a 2-pack. I will definitely leave the link down below where y'all could purchase this. It wasn't expensive. It was like 8 or 10 bucks. It's worth it. Trust me, it is worth it. Especially if you have any kids using, even in yourself. If you're kind of clumsy and you know you're gonna drop it. Sorry for the little bleepy. That's my emails going off on my computer. But let's get. So comes with a little stickers, wipies, all that good stuff. Little warranty, instruction, how to put it, sensitivity, and it's a 2-pack, like I said. So we're only gonna use one. So let's get the tablet. Let's open it up and see what it has inside. A little wipe downs, a little microfiber cloth, stickers to debris for both of them. So let's just wipe it down real quick with the provided cleaning wipe that they have. Make sure everything is nice and clean. You can see my son. He's a character. I love him, just like daddy. Like, I'm gonna repeat it again. If you have a kid and you don't have a tempered glass, you just want to buy another iPad, or you want to buy to fix it. And I'll be honest with you, I don't have time to. Oh, I turned it off. There you go. But I don't have time to keep showing. I don't have time to take it to places to get it fixed. So save a headache, time. Just doing that. Make sure it's nice and clean. Let's use this little microfiber cloth that they give us. I have a ton of these bad boys. I use them for my clean up my phone, my glasses, and let's see how many do they bring. Oh, they just bring one. Okay. And if you have to wipe it down, just wipe it down again. Like, see these spots? It's like watermarks type of spots. You can put a little pressure, not so much, just a little bit. So now, the moment of truth. It tells you the back. All we gotta do is just peel it off. What I usually do is I go about, oh, yo, I cracked it. Oh, luckily I have another one. So let's try it again. So what I do is peel that halfway. Make sure I line it up as best as I can. Don't move. The air bubble's gonna come out. You have these air bubbles, just push them out little by little. Try to push them out to the metal button. You don't want to have none of them air bubbles, because if you keep them air bubbles in there, excuse me, it's just gonna. Alexander. That's his name, Alexander, by the way. You just wanna. And we're good to. Oh, a little more right there. And if you feel like you didn't do a good job, you could just peel it off, take the one corner, the one of these numbers. And let's do it this side, just because that one bubble there, a little trick for you. Just peel it off, don't go all the way up. Just go wherever the bubble's at. It's another one. It was another one there. We just pull it up, nice and slow. Feel like there's debris in there on that one. And we just push it out. Little wipe down with a little. You can use this to wipe it down to take all the fingerprints off. This is the best investment that you could do to any kind of device that you could put a tempered glass on it. It's gonna protect it from you, from anybody else. So it's definitely worth it. So if you don't have a tempered glass, and any kids, cousin, nephew, anybody under 5 or 10, get one of these bad boys. It's gonna save you a headache. It's gonna save you a trip. It's gonna save you looking at a screen all cracked whenever you gotta see it. It's definitely worth it. I'm gonna leave a link down below. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me and my channel. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.